do you know from this? It's the greatest car ever built in 2024. Power, speed, performance. This is Lamborghini Revuelto. Let's take a tour of this legend, Lamborghini Revuelto. The Lamborghini Revuelto is a high-performance hybrid sports car produced by the Italian company Automobili Lamborghini. Officially unveiled on March 29, 2023, it is the successor to the Lamborghini Aventador. The Revuelto features an entirely new design, combining traditional Lamborghini design elements with more modern design elements. The car features a sharp front end with a large grille and LED headlights. It also features streamlined sidelines and wide wheel arches. At the rear, the car features a large rear spoiler and LED taillights. The Revuelto is based on a new body made entirely of carbon fiber, making it 10% lighter than the Aventador body. It also features a new state-of-the-art suspension system that provides better control and higher stability. The interior is elegant and luxurious and made of high-quality materials such as crocodile leather and natural wood. The Revuelto is based on a hybrid drive system that combines a 6.5-liter V12 engine with 3 electric motors. The V12 engine produces 780 horsepower and 730 Nm of torque, while the electric motors collectively generate 235 horsepower. In doing so, the car produces a total of 1,015 horsepower and is the first Lamborghini to break the 1,000 horsepower barrier. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour. The price of the Lamborghini Revuelto is around $4 million, which is an excellent price with such great specs and powerful performance. If you have arrived here, you are one of the heroes and car enthusiasts, so we welcome you to the best place for car enthusiasts.